Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to hide your Facebook story from anyone, whether it's one specific person or a few selected people. So without delay, let's get started. First, open your Facebook app. Now tap on your profile picture at the top to go to your story section. Next, tap the three dots at the top right corner of your story and select Edit Story Privacy. Here you will see four options: Public, Friends, Custom, and Hide Story From. To hide your story from someone, tap Hide Story From. Now just scroll through your friends list and select the people you want to hide your story from. Once selected, hit Save or just go back. Your preferences will be updated. That's it. Your story is now hidden from the people you choose. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.